What if there was a cryptocurrency that not only served as a digital asset, but also as a key to unlock a world of financial opportunities? Welcome to the world of Binance Coin, or BNB, a tale of digital finance that has captivated investors around the world. Born out of the Binance Exchange, one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency platforms, BNB became the fuel that powered this bustling marketplace. Picture millions of traders swapping and trading digital assets, all facilitated by this versatile token. But BNB is not just a currency. Its versatility extends to a plethora of uses within the Binance ecosystem. As a utility token, BNB offers various benefits and discounts on the Binance Exchange. It's like having a VIP pass, giving traders reduced fees, increased liquidity, and an optimized trading experience. BNB also plays a starring role in the Binance Launchpad, a platform for launching new cryptocurrency projects. Holding BNB opens the door to exclusive investment opportunities, giving investors the chance to participate in initial coin offerings and token sales before they hit the general market. And then we have the Binance Smart Chain, a parallel blockchain platform powered by BNB. This platform provides high throughput and low transaction fees, an ideal environment for decentralized applications and finance projects. With BNB as its native currency, developers gain access to a rich ecosystem of tools and resources to build scalable and innovative applications. So why might one consider buying BNB? Well, owning BNB is like having a stake in one of the most influential and dynamic ecosystems in the cryptocurrency industry. As the Binance platform grows and evolves, so does the utility and value of BNB, offering the potential for long-term growth and returns. In addition to this, BNB opens up a world of services and opportunities within the Binance ecosystem, from discounted trading fees to exclusive investment opportunities and access to groundbreaking blockchain technology. For those seeking exposure to the cryptocurrency market with added benefits and potential for growth, BNB is an attractive option. In a world where digital assets are reshaping finance, BNB stands as a beacon of innovation and utility. It offers access to a vibrant ecosystem of services and opportunities. And for those who see the potential of the Binance platform to revolutionize the way we trade, invest and interact with digital assets, buying BNB is more than just acquiring a cryptocurrency. It's about joining a movement towards a more decentralized and inclusive financial future. So, are you ready to join the revolution?